TiMax panLab is a macOS application that adds 3D spatial audio rendering capabilities to the hardware and software solutions you already own. This product democratizes access to spatial audio with a rapid 5-minute setup process, intuitive interface, and integrations with existing products at all price points within the industry. With this one software solution, you can integrate with QLab, transforming any QLab cue into an object in 3D space. You can add 3D spatial rendering capabilities to any Digico, SD, or Quantum series console. We also support any Yamaha, DM, QL, CL, or Ravage series console, as well as consoles from Behringer and Midas. We provide powerful integrations with system processors such as the Yamaha DME7 or any modern QSys core. To achieve all this, we've designed our own bespoke 3D amplitude-based panning algorithm, an advanced 3D user interface, and a suite of automation and show control tools. To explain how our solution works, let's first take a look at a typical spatial audio workflow. You start with the mixing console you're using to mix your show. From here, you output stems or post-fade direct outputs into a dedicated spatial processor. The processor uses its bespoke algorithm to render your inputs onto some outputs, which you send to loudspeakers. You need some kind of controller, which is software you use to position your spatial objects on a panner, and this will typically reside on a dedicated computer. For some applications, such as where performance tracking is required or the scale of production is complex, dedicated spatial renderers, such as a TiMax sound hub, are essential. TiMax panLab, however, aims to bridge the gap, providing access to the creative and technological advances of spatial audio on projects where deploying dedicated renderers would not be feasible. With TiMax panLab, we provide the flexibility to remove the need for a dedicated spatial audio processor, instead choosing to perform the spatial rendering directly on the hardware or software solution you already own. So let's take a look at how our solution works. TiMax panLab acts as both the controller and the processor, removing the requirement for any dedicated hardware. We deploy our 3D amplitude-based panning algorithm directly to the device you already own. We do this by connecting over the local area network and sending control data. No audio passes through TiMax panLab. Let's take the example of a typical mixing console integration. Here, we've got a console input channel we'll call Source 1. This channel has 4 auxiliary sends, which are going out to loudspeakers 1 through 4. TiMax panLab works by using our bespoke amplitude-based panning algorithm to adjust channel to auxiliary send levels. Our integrations work slightly differently depending on whether you're connecting to QLab, a mixing console, processor, or even directly to a TiMax sound hub. Please watch our dedicated videos on each integration to discover how TiMax panLab can help add spatial audio rendering into your content creation workflow.